Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Inspect the Peltos Sleep Mask for cleanliness and undamaged straps because a safe fit prevents pressure points. Once done, insert or charge the battery pack and confirm the module is powered off. This avoids surprises while adjusting. Next, loosen the straps to about your head circumference. This gives you room to fine-tune comfort. This step sets a baseline. It reduces trial adjustments later and helps you feel the correct. You now place the mask over your eyes, aligning the foam so it sits around your eye sockets rather than pressing on lids. This protects circulation and reduces eye strain. Then, pull the straps tight in small steps. Pause, breathe, and check for light leaks. If you find gaps, tighten a notch. If you feel pressure, loosen slightly. Once fit is settled, power on heat, cooling, or audio at the lowest setting. Increase slowly so you learn what each level feels like and why. Finish by integrating the mask into a predictable routine. Put it on 10 to 30 minutes before bedtime to cue relaxation and keep settings consistent. Make sure to remove the battery or power module before cleaning. Follow fabric care instructions to avoid shrinkage. If something goes wrong, say you feel pressure or electronics glitch, first loosen straps and reposition padding. If issues persist, reset the module, recharge fully, and contact support. This systematic approach saves time and keeps the mask effective night after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.